What's up mga kahigala? Save this video if you're planning to visit Boracay. Are you looking for an affordable hostel here in Boracay na may aesthetic vibes? I got you. Kahigala, dapat masubukan mo ang trending na trending Happiness Hostel. Grabe, sobrang sulit dito. Promise. By the way, kahigala, kung nagbabala ka naman mag-Boracay adventure at gusto mo naman para less hassle ka na, you can avail it via Klook app and use my Klook discount code Kahigala Klook para sa inyong Boracay adventure and avail up to 5% off discounts. Oh, diba san ka pa? Makakamura naman talaga. It's the happiest place. Ika nga, in Boracay, si Happiness Hostel. They are located near Bulabog Beach area or Back Beach area. Good news, they have weekly events dito. Live yoga session and ice bath. Meron din silang 2 dining areas and tignan nyo naman ang ambience. It's giving island vibes and aesthetic. And our observation, maraming foreigners nagstay dito, mga besh, and maraming nagwo-walk-in to try their best food as well. Oh, diba, san ka pa? Ito, ang gusto ko rin na wala sa ibang hostel or accommodation dito sa Boracay, ang swimming pool. Ang kagandahan pa, araw-araw siyang nililinisan. Dormitory type ang mga rooms nila. But good news, may sarili na kayong CR at malinis ang mga bedsheets nila ha. May hot shower pa. Definitely highly recommended on your next Boracay adventure. For me, it's 10 out of 10. Si Hostel Boracay. Para sa akin, they offer affordable price and